Hello, Mr. Snyder, and this is my first video lesson. So today we're going to be talking about reading scales on scientific tools. So here on our worksheet, we're going to look at four different rulers. You can see the first three here right now. And the first one, the value right here on each one of these lines is 10. Yeah, so you got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Right here they have an arrow right here, they're saying this is 23. Can we definitely say with a lot of accuracy that 23 is exactly there? No, you can't, because you don't have enough individual little lines there giving us the different values and breakdown of where 23 would exactly be. So you can only have two significant digits there. The next ruler we look at, you can see there's 10, 20, 30 with one line in between. So we'll use a little bit of math, and half of 10 is 5. So each one of these lines, 5, 10, 15, 20. Again, we have our arrow here, looks like about the same spot as one above, and it tells us we're going to use two significant digits because, again, we still can only guess at that's 23. You can't say for sure that it is. Not real accurate to say if it is 23. So, again, just two different digits because you can't say for sure that's 23. So let's scroll up here. And our bottom two rulers on our worksheet here that you guys have. You can see the value right here. What's the value of each one of those little lines? Right there. Count them out. Yeah, value of 1. And you can check yourself too by counting each line to see if that's the value. So let's count. If this has a value of 1, this one should be, each of these lines has a value of 1, this should be 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we definitely know they have a value of 1. So on our metric ruler, as we go along, come to a point, and this must be where we're measuring. And again, it says 23. Can we definitely say it's 23? Yes, because our scale, our value scale here is 1. So 21, 22, 23, it's right on 23. So whenever you have a scale that goes by ones, you have the ability to guess the next digit. In this case, since it's by ones, it's going to be the 10th spot. So you guess 10th spot. This is right on this line. Since it's right on this line, it's 23.0. If it was just past the line, 23.1. If it was just before 24, 23.9. If it was right in between 23 and 24, exactly in the middle, that would be 23.5. A little closer to 23, maybe 23.4, 23.3. A little closer to 24, probably 23.6, 23.7. So on and so forth. Then we look at our bottom ruler here. They kind of magnify the space out. And we have all these little lines right here. Each of these lines has a value of 1/10. So now we're going to check to see if this is 23.20. So 23.0, 23.1, 23.2. And since each of these has a value of 1/10, you're able to guess the 100th spot because you know for sure that's definitely 23.2 right there, and it's right on that line, so it's 23.20. Then the same pattern is here. If we just passed 23.2, it'd be 23.21. If it was just before 0.3, it'd be 23.29, and in the middle, 23.25, so on and so forth, the same pattern. So when you have a scale on any of your scientific tools, whether it's metric stick, your triple beam balance, graduated cylinder, thermometer, if there's a value of 1, you guess the 10th. If it has a value of a 10th, you guess the 100th. Value of a 100th, you guess the 1000th. That's it. Can't guess beyond that. If you go by, if it has a value of 2, can't guess any or beyond the 1 spot. If it has 2 tenths, can't guess beyond the 10th spot. Okay, it's only if it's 1, 1/10, 100th, 1,000th, 1 10,000, 100,000. I can't say those words very well, but get the pattern. So just when it has the value of the ones there. You can guess the next one.